This is in short with Mtumabaso. Uyazi bengibuka le video kaNhlanhla Mkhwanazi ebonga abelungu ama-oppressors, the white settlers, the white monopoly capital. Ubonga uChris Becker umlungu omhlophe uthi bamhlanganisela imali umthela ini imoto uyayithatha le mali ke uyocontributor ke kulesikhwama athi sabantwana bama-victims murder of amaphoyisa. Samora Machel once said, when you begin to be loved and celebrated by the oppressors, by white people, you have sold your people. Niyahlupa ngokhohlwa kwawusho uSamora Machel dala esazonixoxela na ukuthi wafaka kanjani involvement eSouth Africa ne-police force nama-special unit ne-intelligence yaseSouth Africa. Asishiye-ke lapho ngisela kulo Nhlanhla wena nimthwele ngeqoma. Wathi uSamora Machel, when you are celebrated by whiteness, we have sold out your people. Unhlanhla is being praised by both white and black. Whites in particular, they are all out, EDA, to worship Unhlanhla, to celebrate him, to praise him. What to Samora Machel, that's a sign of a sellout. You have sold out your people. White people would never love a black person, never celebrate a black person. They would never. They celebrated Mandela because Mandela sold us out. There's a truth, a harsh when the reality. Unhlanhla has sold out his people. Unhlanhla Mkhwanazi lo wena nimthandayo is being celebrated by our enemies. So he is part of the enemy. Unhlanhla has sold out. Ngisazontshela nje for free. Igameko zalumlisa nayi commission yeza. Ngiyayibuka ngifuna ubuka information yakhona ukuthi ifonye kanjani. Bese ngibuka all the witnesses ukuthi bazowabulala yini. Kulula ukuthi bawabulale because some of the witnesses with credible information are in prison eWestville. Unhlanhla and his gang bababopha. Ngikhipha ke indaba manje ezibhlungu. Base Westville. Unhlanhla bacisha ubufakazi bababopha. Abantu bengenze lutho base Westville. Ngizonivezela bona. Some of them zobezwa bekhuluma hayi le platform ngoba le platform le izomyuthwa kudelethwe ama-post ami. They've done that before. I am creating a platform la ozongena khona and there is no interference. Nobody can dare interfere with my material. It's mine, privately owned. Unhlanhla ngifuna ukwazi bangaka ama-witnesses azofa. Ngigade kakhulu la sejele ngoba agcwele ejele. Ama-witnesses as all the shenanigans zikaNhlanhla and his team i-KZN noma semula lapha eNational. Kuyanuka phu. Uyazi mina ukuthi angikhulume njalo. Ngikhulumeni wey'ngane zakwethu. Anizongithuka. USenzo Mchunu is not a saint. Unawo amathizithizi akhe njengabo bonke abanye they've got their own skeleton in their closet, all of them. ANC is corrupt to the core, not a single one. Ngizontshela nje bonke nje balande futhi nginitshele ngilethe nobufakazi ozobuthola kule platform le ngishoyo. That would be in short. Kuyanuka phu. Uyabona lezi gebengu enisicelebratayo esunhlanhla. Ama-witnesses agcwele eWestville. USenzo wasindwa zinya. USenzo was doing the right thing. Waqala wasuspenda le unit le kwathiwa investigator ama-killings apolitical ngoba yayinuka phu. yayisebenza ise-provincial, in the provincial unit that investigated ama-political killings. Kwanele wa-establishwa i-national unit kwathiwa yona ezo-investigator. Ubhekicele le pension yakho uzodla kabuhlungu, uzokuzwa bakuzwisa uZuma, uzokuzwa, because he was leading the pack. Ba-establisha le national unit yakhona-ke yafika-ke kuma-provinces yathatha bonke ubufakazi obasebuqoqiwe. Ama-police officers ayesebenze kanzima investigator abathola abantu wenza ama-dockets bawathatha as if they are taking over to investigate. They shove it under the carpet. Baqala babopha abantu ababe-investigating ngoba kuthiwa abakhanseli lamacala. Oh, ngiyakhuluma Nkosi yami, kodwa ngisakhuluma nabantu abangangizwa bazongithuka. uNhlanhla neteam yakhe, udeputy wakhe lo wesifazane, ngeke ngimusho igama, bangcole to the core. Ubobona ngokuthi uNhlanhla ubulala abantu abamnyama kuphela base South Africa, the South Africans. What about the foreign nationals lagcwele kuma-point like KZN? Bababopha bona, bathi bababopha, bababutha, babayeka futhi babuyele emuva. Akungcono kuthiwa mhlampe-ke beqotha bona-ke labantu ama-illegal foreigners. Kunama-cartel, ama-whites, ama-Chinese, you name it. Ama-cargo eza la eThekwini afika ethwele ama-drugs. Ama-drugs are being imported by white people. Bona amaphoyisa wona gada ama-truck asolayisha ama-container anama-drugs eya ku-Gauteng. Siyakwazi lokho ukungcola kwamaphoyisa. uNhlanhla kwenza ingane akabopha abantu lapha eLuzaneni eChwebeni, abantu abafika nama-drugs abelungu, ama-cargo. Uthi uMesho ama-South Africans uhulumeni uyamkhokhela enough as a reward. WeNhlanhla awukhulumi kahle iqiniso, akuyona imali le ushintshi. Wena unemali enzima kabi ngama-kickback oyitholayo, oyithola kubelungu, oyithola kuma-foreigners, wena oyithola kubantu abanemali abangababulali. Wagijima wayoshaya uSenzo kwi-media ngoba ugadla kuqala ufuna ukuyi-protector because uSenzo was about to suspend you noMasimula. I'm telling you, he was about, he suspended lento lena niyenza la yokufihla amadokethi nibopha abantu bani-incriminate abantu bengenze lutho. Angiyazi anizazi le ndaba, nazi ukuthi uNhlanhla nje niyamcelebrate uyihero. uNhlanhla uzero, is trying by all means ukuthi avuke, azifihle, aniluthe. Usebenzisa i-white media, they are supporting him because lento yasidistractor. Ama-minerals ethu, i-wealth iyahamba usuku nosuku yaphesheya. Siphi celebrate-ana noNhlanhla thina. That is distraction. uNhlanhla is an agent, has been turned to be the agent of the whiteness. uNhlanhla ake kabulala ama-cartel. uNhlanhla distracted wabulala ama-business forums, wawaqeda nyanga ngoba ebambisene nabelungu, bawaqeda. Abantu bayithi balamba manje ku-construction, they were doing very well under uZuma, and even uBhekicele tried. uNhlanhla kwafika wafinisha umsebenzi oqala uBhekicele wokuvikela abelungu kuma-construction. Kwathiwa i-construction mafia, abantu beno-30% olegal. uZuma proclaimed a legislation ngo-2017 wathi 30% belongs to small businesses. Where does that 30% go? U-10% uye emakhikhini oNhlanhla emaphakethini. Baqeda ngomuntu omnyama nebhizinisi. They are busy nursing their pockets. Nina namcelebrate. Ubulala abantu abamnyama, bapha ama-foreign nationals asewabulele, bapha abelungu, apha ama-China okuyibona abantu abenza ubugebengu la e-South Africa. I-South Africa isidleke, kungenwa ngeTheku, and uNhlanhla usophondweni. Musani ukuba izilima nina, celebrate in-nothingness. uNhlanhla i-commission izonikhombisa uma ngizokuthatha u-20 years ukuthi is a criminal and a mafia. This is in short with Mduma Basu. Angisabi, angisatshiswa, ungangisabeli, ungangisabisi, ungangonishi, ungacabangeli umndeni wami,